Wait. Before you buy one of these powders, you need to see this video because choosing the wrong color can actually sabotage your entire makeup look. Yellow versus purple. Trust me, there's actual science behind it. Hi gorgeous souls, this is your makeup bestie Garima and welcome to my channel Glitter Garima, a place where we talk about the science behind makeup and not pseudo-influence you to buy expensive shit. Today we are diving deep into something that will blow your mind, specifically Huda Beauty's yellow setting powder versus purple setting powder, the banana bread shade versus the ube birthday cake shade. So here's a list of what all will be covered today. First, why and how these different shades work, who needs which color, when do you need it, and the final part, the application part, where I'll be applying one shade on the one half of my face and the other on the other half to see the actual difference in real time. And by the end of this video, you'll know which color is exactly for you. So let's get a little nerdy here because the science behind these colors are really fascinating. Do you remember that color wheel we studied in the art class? If you look closely, the colors yellow and purple are complementary to each other. That means if you will combine both of these colors, they will either cut or balance out each other. In simple layman language, if it's getting too yellow, give it some purple to balance out. If it's getting too purple, give it some yellow to balance out. Now let's cut it short and talk very specifically about who needs which color. So the yellow one, banana bread, if you have extremely cool undertones, you need yellow one because it's going to balance out that ashy and grayish effect on your face. The other one, purple, if you have extremely yellow undertones or warm undertones, you need purple to balance it out so you don't look very pale. Just a little disclaimer here that I'm talking about undertones and not skin complexion, which means you can belong to one of these fair, medium or deep skin complexion and still have one of these undertones, or you can have none of them and belong to a neutral undertone group. If this topic is little confusing for you and you still don't understand what sort of undertone you have, then comment down below so I can make an in-depth video and help you find your undertone. Now coming back to our pointers. So if you think you have dark circles, bruises or maybe pigmented areas with purple and blue hues to it, you can opt for the yellow powder to neutralize it really well. On the other hand, if you think your skin looks very pale and yellow, maybe because of pigmentation or some sort of health issues, or just in case where you bought a wrong shade of foundation which turned out too yellow, you can opt for the purple powder. Now let's talk about when to use which one. So here's a little secret. Some of us have neutral undertones, which means we're not really warm, not really cool. We lie somewhere in between, like your bestie here, and that means we're lucky enough to work out with both of these colors to set a particular vibe or mood of the makeup. Now let me give you pointers on what I mean by setting up a particular mood for your makeup. For the situations where you have an outdoor day event and you have ample of sunlight, you can go for the yellow powder because it's going to give you that sun-kissed, bronzy and golden hour effect. On the other hand, if you have a night and indoor event where you have ample of LED studio lights, then you should go for purple powder because it's going to give you that editorial and glamorous photogenic kind of effect. Okay guys, I'm done blabbering, so it's the moment of truth. I've already set half of my face with the yellow powder and the other half with purple, but now I'm going to bake it to see intensified results. Just to clarify another thing, I'm somewhere between fair and medium skin tone with neutral undertones as I have specified before. And then I'm gonna let both of these powders sit for good 5 minutes under my eyes. So both of the powders had enough time to bake, so it's time to blend them out and see the results. Wow, look at the difference. If you see the yellow side of my face, it's definitely giving that sun-kissed bronzy effect, which is gonna look amazing under the golden hour, and it looks like kind of no makeup look. And on the other hand, if you see the purple powder side, it's kind of giving me that natural pinky flush from within, and it's looking very editorial and diva kind of vibe. And remember, these are not just setting powders, these are color correcting tools. So you need to decide what your skin needs and what the mood of your makeup needs. So which team are you in? The banana bread or the ube birthday cake? Let me know in the comments below. So if this video helped you even a little bit to understand the color theory, your girl here deserves a like. And for more science-backed makeup content that makes sense, you can't miss on subscribing this channel. Until next time, stay glittery!